Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok search history. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application on your mobile device, and then in this interface you need to make sure you logged in your account. So then you can click on the home button at the bottom left corner and then on the search icon at the top right, and then you will see your search history. You can actually click on the cross icon next to your search history on the right side. Here it is, but it won't clear the search history at all. So if you want to clear it completely, all you need to do is to go back to your profile, then at the top right click on the three lines button, then settings and privacy. Then you need to click on the activity center button, here it is, and then on the third one option, search history. And then you will see all your search history date by date, and after that you need to click on the select button at the top right corner, and then at the bottom right click on the select all search history, like this, and then delete all, and then delete again. So, and only after that your search history will be deleted. So, and that's all, and that's how to delete TikTok search history. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.